Now let me make you understand what is super actually. So instead of writing parent every time, you can use super. And remember, when I am calling super, I don't need to pass self or anything else. I just need to provide the argument for my parameter. Yeah, I am getting same result, and remember, so here instead of writing my parent and self, I am just writing super. So that's how we can actually utilize our super function. One thing we need to remember, there is something like MRO, that is method resolution order. So if I try to print MRO for our child, you can see I got a sequence of how I am calling my classes. So first you can see I got my child class, then my parent class, and then my object. So that's where MRO come into picture. So remember, our method of subclass will be called first. So that means the method of child will be called first. That is why we are calling init method. Let me clear this up and think about two parents. Let me add a second parent and also inherit the second parent into our child. Now here we have two parents and inheriting both the parents into our child. Second thing is we are using super. So what do you think, which parent will be called with the super keyword? It is the parent 1 or parent 2? Let us run this program and try to find out the result. So you can see what actually happened, child, then parent first, and here you can also see the sequence. Methods of child, methods of parent 2, and then the object. Looks fine, but what if I need to change the sequence? If I do this parent 2 and then parent. Here also remember that the result of super keyword is giving us the result of parent 1. Now I have changed it with parent 2 and then parent 1. So I have changed the sequence, that is the position. And if I run this one, you can see I got a result of child, then parent 2. And even in our MRO sequence, you can see I have my child methods, then parent 2, then parent and object. So whichever parent is coming first will get the super function and the second parent, and if you want to access its init method, you have to call it by yourself like we did it at initial level. So all you have to do is call the parent and then call your init method, and here you need to pass your self argument and then you need to pass argument for the name. So I am passing John for parent, and for parent 2 we are using super function and passing Shubham. Let me run this one again. Child, then parent 2 with Shubham, and then parent with John. Also with our MRO we have child methods, then parent 2 method, then parent method, and then object. So things look good, and I hope now you understand about them. I would reverse their sequence, and also all I have to do is pass out my parent 2. So super is a built-in function, is a built-in method. So it returns a proxy object that allow you to refer your parent class. So the parent class which we are passing at the first level, that means the first parent class which we are passing, we can refer that with the help of super keyword. Also, this built-in method has two major use cases. The first one is it allows us to avoid using base class explicitly. So we can use this particular keyword, that is super. And the second one is it can help us to work with multiple inheritance. So when we have more than one parent, we can use this super keyword. So by now, I hope you understand the built-in method super. So in the next lecture, we are going to do a lot more thing. So see you in the next one.